UK-based Nigerian blogger and GOTV host Maureen Badejo has been arrested in Lagos by operatives of the Nigerian Police Force. She was taken into custody on Friday by detectives from the Criminal Investigation Department, CID, and is currently being interrogated at the Police Cybercrime Unit in Yaba, according to sources. The arrest reportedly followed petitions submitted by Apostle Joseph Suleman, General Overseer of Omega Fire Ministries, and Dr. Daniel Olukoya, General Overseer of the Mountain of Fire and Miracles Ministry, MFM. While details of the allegations remain unclear, sources say that they linked to Badejo online publications and social media activities. As of the time of reporting, the police had not issued an official statement explaining the legal basis for Badejo's arrest or detention. Badejo has previously been involved in legal disputes with Apostle Suleman, including a 2022 UK High Court ruling that dismissed his defamation claim and ordered him to pay her £19,601 in costs. He has also publicized allegations made by former MFM pastor against Dr. Dike Olukoya. This case has sparked renewed concerns over press freedom and the use of cybercrime laws in Nigeria. Guys, please share this video. It is long overdue. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
I said it too that Obatima lost in Nigeria. So yes, she has been arrested. She has been arrested by Nigerian police. She has been arrested. You know, they will have flagged somebody's name. They will have flagged your name and, you know, be at alert. So once you step in, they will carry you. Nigerian government and Nigerian pastors, they don't want anybody talking. They just want things to be done the way they want it. So the story is that the arrest is coming because of Olukoya, MFM pastor, and Apostle Sule Johnson. So those are the two people, at least that has been mentioned. They said the petition against her has been on since 2022. I think that was when she had issues in the UK with Olukoya and Sule. So, and they also said that recently she started talking about them again. And yeah, Olukoya took her to court in UK. So I don't know what he wants again. But you know, they own Nigeria. Let's not deceive ourselves. The masses do not own Nigeria. The masses do not have a voice. The country is for people who have the power, who have the money, unfortunately. So, and since, if you want to talk about Nigeria, if you are going to be talking about Nigeria, if you are going to be talking about the bad things going on, and you are not sure, because if you like say now only sure, they tackle them well. Now only sure then go carry, and under how many days. But even at that, sure has lots of litigation, court cases. And you are not living in Nigeria, you live abroad. Your means of livelihood is in abroad. Your family is in abroad. So, you know, you can't stay in Nigeria for a long time or be going back and forth to Nigeria because of court cases. Unfortunately, she has been detained and it's Friday. So, she already said it's a calculated move for them to have arrested her on a Friday because they know they take bail on Friday. So, until Monday, she's going to be there. Police station and whatever is made for woman being, as long as they are not abusing her there, that's the most important. And I don't think they will want to do that. She's a public person. Okay, so I'm sure they too will be careful in handling her. But she's there with us. I mean with them. And by Monday, we will know what is update on it. So that's the sad news I got this morning. People have been sending it to me. Auntie, have you seen this? Auntie, have you seen this? I took my time this morning. I didn't wake up on time because yesterday was busy for me. I had to do some stuff and I slept late. So That is the news. Auntie Chifine, babe, I called you. You said you were busy. Maureen Badejo has been arrested. Yeah, Monica Mori, that was exactly what I said. I said, money for no go Nigeria. What is she put for Nigeria? You cannot be doing this kind of job and go to Nigeria. But I want to believe, at the end of the day, it will be a court case. But one thing I'm hoping is that they don't get to seize their passports. I'm hopeful they can allow her to go in and come back because it's going to end up in court case. Let's be honest here. It's going to end up in court case, definitely. And it's against Olukoya and Apostle Sule. It's against Olukoya and Apostle Sule. And they said it's allegation, defamation, of course, all cyber, cyber, whatever. So it's let's just be hopeful. Let's be hopeful. I know some of you that you are their customers. You go say, Adune, you are next. Tori ni buru teba sobe, any customers won. Any customers won. I know you will say, Adune, you are next. Teba sobe ori ni buru. You know why? Ẹni tó bá ń wò ṣẹ́jú akọni. Apẹ̀lú ti létí omi. If the pastor bribed the judge, they might not grant her bail. Let's be hopeful. That's what I can say. Let's be hopeful that no, she's Irish citizen. She's Irish citizen, not British citizen. So, and I hope she went into the country with a citizen, Irish citizen. You know, like some mistakes that we often make, some people. When you go into Nigeria, especially if you are doing this kind of public thing, if you want to go, if you are British, citizen of that country, just go with that passport. Don't get to Nigeria and check in with Nigerian passport. That will be your greatest mistake. Okay? And the citizenship also all depends on what is going on. So if you get into Nigeria, don't use the passport of that second country, not Nigerian passports. So I don't know the passport she used. No, we don't have information yet. Nobody has been able to talk to her. Showore is trying to talk to her. They are not picking Showore's call again. But he said he will keep trying. He updated like 15 minutes ago. He made some updates on the case. So I've spoken with, I don't want to mention, so that we will not make the case more difficult. I spoke with somebody close to her now, and she said they are making calls as well. So let's just keep our fingers crossed.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share, so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.